Hi, I'm Jeff, and welcome to my metal shop, or what my wife calls the garage. In this video, I'm going to be building this welding cart here to hold my welder. Obviously, the gas bottle goes on here, nice and securely held with a chain. It's got great big casters to make it super easy to roll around, and then horns on the front to allow me to sort of coil and take care of the ground wire as well as the wire feed it's a MIG welder. Underneath there's space for my welpers. I'll probably end up putting my welding gloves under there, etc. So this is designed to roll right into and underneath this sort of storage unit that I previously built over here, and it'll go right next to my welding table that I previously built. So I'm really pleased with how it came out. It is super sturdy. It's going to be super effective and helpful. Let me just sort of roll around, plug in and weld wherever I want here in the metal shop, not the garage, metal shop. But please, hope you enjoy this video. Maybe learn something, be inspired to go and build something on your own. And if so, please feel free to subscribe to my channel. Give me a like, comment, and share with your friends. Thanks a bunch for watching.
Get up, gonna bounce, but Gotta get on up. Gotta get up, I'm gonna bounce your butt. Gotta get on up. Gotta get up, I'm gonna bounce your butt. Back it up, don't back it up. Jack it up, don't jack it up.
Alright, so I had no idea how to film this with my good camera, so I just thought I'd pull out my phone. What I'm doing next is I've just got a couple little pieces that I'm going to weld in here to hold the casters on the front of the cart. So I have magnets holding them in place so that they're flush on the top. I'm going to reach up underneath and just put in a couple of quick tack welds, and then I'm going to flip it over, weld it properly, making sure that it's all nice and flush on what is now the top and what will be the bottom where that caster goes. So you're not going to be able to see this that well on film, but just trust me, that's what I'm doing.